In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can start making thousands of dollars per month selling very simple products on Amazon. And it's the same process that I've used to make over $2.5 million selling products on Amazon. We're going to go over the product itself, how to find manufacturers for the product, and exactly how much money, how much profit to the penny that you can walk away with. So what is the product? The product is this, an expanding cutlery drawer organizer. Now you might be wondering, why do I want to sell something like this? I'm going to pop open Jungle Scout, which is the software that I use that helps me determine which is a good product and which is not a good product. And we can see right here, there is something called the opportunity score. This is where it says there's high demand, meaning a lot of people want it, they're searching for it, they're buying it, but more importantly, there's low competition, meaning that it's not saturated and we can start selling a similar or the same product and start making money with this product today. Okay, so let's go over quick some of the products that are selling in this category and see what the monthly revenue is, right? $12,000 a month, $48,000 a month, $54,000 a month, $1,100 a month, $293,000 per month. These numbers are just wild, right? There's a lot of money to be made. So let's go ahead and find a product just like this. So just for the heck of it, let's choose this one that's doing $223,000 a month. I know that's crazy, but stick with me because we can still get a piece of this very simply, right? So this is a product it's selling for $32.95. There's low competition around it. There's high demand. So let's go ahead, and we know it's selling for $32.95. Let's go ahead and find this product, because what we are doing in this entire business model is buying low and selling at a higher price, right? So we want to buy this ideally lower than $32.95 and sell it for that price, because we know this price point is working. So if we go over to Alibaba, if you're not familiar with Alibaba, just real quick, it is a platform that allows us to connect with manufacturers and suppliers to have our products created and made so that we could sell them, right? We are buying low in bulk from these manufacturers on Alibaba, and we're finding them here. So I'm just gonna search cutlery drawer organizer. And before you start selecting any of these products, you need to do me a favor, and you need to go to the bottom left and select verified suppliers. I do not want you dealing with any suppliers on this platform that are not verified. I've heard horror stories of people that send, a couple $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 to never hear from the manufacturer again, or they send that money and the products come back defective, or they're just not what they're looking for. All right, so you only want to deal with verified suppliers, which are the best of the best, and vetted suppliers. Okay, so we could see automatically expanding cutlery tray. This is a verified supplier. We could buy it for $4.55. So let's pop open their listing itself and understand what a little bit more about the product, right? Because this is almost exactly like this product, right? It expands in your drawer to be able to have your cutlery there. And we can see we could get it for $4.55. But something really important to understand is we need to be able to customize these products. And don't get all nervous around customization. All I'm talking about with customization is putting a brand on this product, right? You come up with some kind of cutlery drawers emporium, something, right? And put it on that product. Okay, so as we can see here, this manufacturer allows us to put a customized logo on here. There is a minimum order of 1,000 pieces for this product, right? To customize it, to put on a logo, okay? So if that's not in your budget, you can simply find another manufacturer that'll do it for less than that, okay? That's totally fine. A lot of manufacturers will do that. So we could see that we're getting it for $4.55. We could sell it for $32.95. Let's go over and figure out the exact price or the exact profit that we're gonna walk away from, because Amazon needs to make their money too. Amazon's gonna charge us to sell it and fulfill that order. So we are going to go over to Amazon's FBA revenue calculator. If you just literally Google Amazon revenue calculator, it'll bring you to this, and you're going to learn exactly to the penny how much we are going to make. So before we do that, we need to grab something called the ASIN or the ASIN, right? So that is this number right here. I'm just going to copy that from Jungle Scout. And you can also find it on the listings. It's right here also, right? So we're gonna grab that unique identifier. It's called kind of like a UPC for Amazon. Now we're gonna go ahead and paste that in and search the product itself. Now it's gonna find the product that we're gonna be competing with, right? We know this product is selling over almost $300,000 a month of a simple product that there's low competition around and high demand around. So we are going to mimic this listing, right? As far as numbers go, as far as the size of the product, all right? To be able to get a full understanding of how much profit we're gonna make. So you're gonna scroll down after you put in the ASIN, and you're gonna see there's two options, Amazon fulfillment and your fulfillment. We are gonna focus on Amazon's fulfillment. The reason is because we are gonna use Amazon's resources. We're gonna buy the product low for $4, and then we're gonna send it into Amazon's warehouse. And Amazon itself is gonna do the picking, pick the product when it sells. They're gonna package it, they're gonna ship it, they're gonna do all of that. They're gonna handle any returns, and they're gonna handle any customer service. So it is a very hands-off process when in this business model, as opposed to your fulfillment. You're going to be selling these out of your garage, which is fine, maybe to get an understanding of it, but really you want to be able to just send the inventory into Amazon and they take care of everything, and you watch the sales come in, and then you're going to go back and reorder and do the same thing over and over again. It's just a very simplified process, but Amazon's going to charge us more for that fulfillment. Okay, so we could see right here the item price is selling for $32.95. Then Amazon's fees just to sell it is $5.93. Okay, then the fulfillment cost that we're going to pay Amazon for one of their workers to go find the product, ship it, package it, handle any returns is $7.94. Then they have a storage cost per unit. Then the inbounding cost is 68 cents per unit, meaning this is how much it's going to cost to send one unit into their storage to be able to sell through Amazon FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. Okay, those are all the prices. I know that can be a lot, so it's important to understand these numbers. Now, what is our cost of goods sold, right? So as we can see, we could buy for $4.55, but that's not the only price involved. We have to deal with shipping. We have to deal with tariffs, right? All of those things come into play. So for this, just for the heck of it, I'm gonna say that let's say we'll double this. Let's say it's $9 per unit landed to our doorstep or to Amazon's warehouse. It's gonna cost us $9. Now let's scroll down and see that we can make 27% profit margin, or $9.16 for every unit we sell. And it's hands off. We just buy it, send it to Amazon. Anytime that it sells, we get an email and we make $9.16. So this, the competitor, right? They are selling how many units a day? They're selling 189 units a day times, let's just see, 189 times $9, $1,700 per day in profit. Incredible. Tell me another business where you can do something like this so efficiently and hands off. And once you get it at scale, it becomes more and more passive. All right. That's the business model. That's the product. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Take care, guys.